Hi again, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and this week I'm going to tell you how I use magic, or more specifically magic tricks, in the classroom. A lot of times an ESL or an EFL teacher's job starts to feel a little bit like you're an entertainer. And there should be, hopefully, some element of entertainment value in your classroom. But it's important to remember that above all things, you're an educator. So how can I turn that entertaining activity, in this case a magic trick, into an educational opportunity for my children? Secondly, before we start, I'm not here to teach you magic tricks. There are plenty of other YouTube content creators who earn money by showing you how to do some either card tricks, sleight of hand things, or stuff with coins. I like to use props. It gives the kids something to examine and something to do. But I'm not here to explain to you how to do the magic tricks. Go and watch other videos. I can even leave some links in the description.
When I was a young boy, my father showed me a 3-card magic trick. He says, I have 3 cards here and they're all aces. I'm going to show you 2 of these cards are red and 1 is black. So he picks them all up and he puts them in his hand, and then he says, I'll show you. Okay, once again, 3 cards. The top card, what color is it? It is red. I'm going to put that down. The second card is also red, and then here the third card is black. So your job, like you see in the movies, your job is to kind of keep an eye on the black card. The game is find the black card. He picks up the pack of cards and he says, I'm going to put the black card on the bottom of the pile. So Carson, where is the black ace? And I said, well, I saw you put it on the bottom. He said, no, you're not paying attention. This is red. But then he switched. His new question was like, well, if that's red, what color is the top card? He shows me it's red. So we have a red card on the top, a red card on the bottom. The middle card must be black. And I agreed. But then he showed it to me, and wait a minute, it's also red. He puts it back in the middle, and then he said, Carson, you're not paying attention. The black card is on the bottom, I told you. If the black card is on the bottom, what color is the top card? And then I thought, well, I don't know. And he showed me, and it was black. So we have a black card on the top, a black card on the bottom, and the middle card was also black. I was very confused. I thought, wait a minute, what? I think he's cheating. Maybe you have 6 cards? And he says, no, I don't have 6 cards. I'll show you. The bottom card here is red. The middle card is black. So what color do you think the third card is? And then he showed me. What magic.
Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that magic trick. My students really enjoy that one. It really catches them off guard, but it's a perfect trick for what I want to do and for the reason that I'm doing it in the classroom, because there's a story attached to it. The story of my father first showing me this trick. The whole trick is kind of just one misdirection after another, but the biggest misdirection of all is the fact that I'm telling this story as if it happened to me, and it's believable. So I might now, after the trick is finished, now again, the kids are going to be, what? Why? Where did the Joker come from? Well, I can perform it again, but first I want to ask you some comprehension questions about the story that I told you when we were watching the magic trick. Or give me some details about your experience watching me perform this magic trick. Or express to me, how do you think I achieved that magic trick? And these are where you, the teacher, take over. The entertainer gets put on the shelf, and now it's the teacher's turn, and you need to elicit answers. So I could just ask simple questions like, how many cards did my father have? And the student, who's ready? Who knows? Okay, Billy, he had 3 cards. That's right. And I might just ask simple, straightforward questions like this. But if the students are a little bit more advanced, I might ask them to tell me, how did that make you feel? What do you think I was doing that whole time? Did you ever see me make a mistake? Where did that Joker come from? So this is an entertaining and seemingly magic activity that can be used in the classroom because you have this after the show banter which is the main goal of doing it in the first place. So I hope you enjoyed watching this short video about magic in the classroom, and we'll see you again next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.